Hello, welcome. I'm Laura, a yoga and meditation teacher. This is your slow flow to ground, to soothe any excessive Vata energy, to calm fluctuations of the mind, and still any anxious or unsettled thoughts or emotions. We're going to be moving through some slow standing postures to do this. So all you're going to need is yourself and your mat, and we're going to start in all fours. So coming all the way around onto the mat, wrists under the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. And we're just going to move through some cat-cows to start the practice. So as you breathe in, we lift the chest, lift the tailbone, draw shoulder blades back. Drop belly, exhale, push into the hands, round, chin to chest, belly button to spine. Good. As we breathe in, we move the other way. Exhale, really push into those hands, squeeze the belly button up to the spine, wrap the scapula away from the midline. Let's just do one more there. Breathe in, mobilizing our spines, mobilizing our breath. Exhale. Good, and then inhale, we're gonna come back to center. We're gonna tuck our toes, lift our hips up and come into down dog. Take a moment here just to stretch out through the back of the body, reaching your tailbone up and away as you draw your chest to your thighs. Bend the knees if you need. Breathe. Good, one more deep breath in and out. Inhale, let's slowly walk all the way up to the top of the mat. Find a nice halfway lift, nice flat back, shoulders draw away from your ears, and exhale, we fold. Good, inhale, we're gonna come all the way up to standing, reach up. Exhale, hands heart center. We're gonna hold here for 3 breaths, grounding down steadily through your feet, connecting to your breath. Last deep breath in and out. Good. Inhaling, right knee into your chest. Exhaling, stepping the right foot all the way down the mat as you open out into your warrior two. So front heel is in line with middle arch of back foot. We hold in each one of these standing poses for 3 breaths. Last big breath in. Exhale, good. Straighten through the front leg. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, down. Right arm reaches up. You can use your shin just to bring your left hand up a little bit higher. Rotate the chest to the sky. Good. Inhale brings you up. Keeping the legs where they are. Sweep the left arm up and over. Reverse triangle. Stay with the breath. Don't put too much weight on this back leg. Last big breath in. Exhale there, good. Sweep the hands all the way around, frame your front foot, and then step it back, down dog. 3 breaths. Trying not to worry too much about your alignment in this pose. Connecting into your body, out of your mind, into your body, into your breath. Good. We bend the knees, we look forward. We step all the way to the top of the mat, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale to rise up. Exhale, hands heart center. So holding here again, 3 breaths. Feeling that even, steady weight spread up throughout your feet. closing down the eyes if that feels good, and just one more breath in. Good. Left knee draws up this time, inhale. Exhale, we step it back into our warrior two. 3 breaths. Feeling like you're tearing the mat apart with your feet. Wrapping the outside edge of the mat down, the foot down to the mat. Good. Straightening the front leg on the exhale. Inhale to reach forward. Exhale down, maybe use your shin again. Inhale the left arm up, 3 breaths, triangle, Trikonasana. Feeling that stability through the legs. Nice long lines through the legs and the side of the torso. Good. Inhale brings you up. Legs stay where they are. Reach the right hand up and over. Feel that space through the side waist. Reverse triangle. Drawing in through lower ribs. Feeling that stretch in the side body. Good. And then exhale, we spin the hands back round. Frame the foot. Push it back. Downward facing dog. Again, 3 breaths. 4, 2. And 4, 1. We bend the knees, we look forward. We inhale, step all the way to the top of the mat. Halfway lift. Exhale, we fold. Inhale, we come to Utkatasana. Breathe in for 1. Weight back in your heels. Breathing in for 2. Lifting your chest. Breathing into 3. Can you go a little bit lower with those hips? And then exhale, hands heart center. Take a breath in, knees and hips in line. Exhale, we twist. Left elbow, right knee. For 3. Left hip draws back in space. For 2, pushing through your top hand. For 1, can you sink a little bit lower? Good. Gazing down. You're going to come all the way back up to standing, reach up. Exhale, hands heart center. We go again, 3 breaths. Slow, mindful breath. Connecting into our body, calming that anxious energy. Good. Inhale, Utkatasana for 1. 4, 2. Weight back in your heels. 4, 3. Taking the gaze up. Exhale. Knees and hips in line. Right elbow, left knee. For 3. Weight low in your hips. For 2. Pushing into your top hand. For 1. Taking the gaze up if you can. Good. Coming back to center. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, hands heart center. Good. We're going to bring the hands all the way up. Take an inhale. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift and lengthen halfway. Exhale, ground the hands, step back. Downward facing dog. 3 breaths. Feel into the sensations in your body. Good, last big breath in. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step all the way through to seated. Good. So we're going to extend the left leg long, bending your right knee. Right hand comes behind you, either hugging onto the knee or bringing left elbow to the right thigh. For 3, lifting tall through the crown of the head. For 2, exhale, we twist. And for 1. Good. Coming to center, straightening both legs. Lifting the chest, take a breath. Exhale, we fold. Inhale for 1, lift the chest. Inhale for 2, lengthen the back of the neck. Inhale for 3, flexing those feet. Good. Coming all the way back up, left knee bends this time. Left hand comes behind you, either hugging onto the knee or elbow to outside of knee. Breathing in for 3. Lifting tall through the crown of the head. Breathing in for 2. Finding that twist, gaze over left shoulder. Breathing in for 1. Good. Coming back to center. And we're going to bend our knees and just slowly roll all the way down onto our mat, onto our back. You can come into any position that feels good here. Legs can be long, knees can be bent. Just make sure your shoulders are rolled under slightly. You have that length in the back of the neck. I'm going to bring you through a short breath work practice to finish. 2 deep breaths in through the nose, out through the nose, and again. Good, we're going to inhale 2, 3, 4. We're going to hold the breath at the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we exhale through the nose for the count of 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Draw all the air out of your lungs. Good. We take a deep breath in through the nose. 2, 3, 4. We hold the breath up in the top of your chest. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we take a deep exhale, getting rid of all the air. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do a couple more rounds there. So breathing in. Hold. Exhale through the nose. Breathing in. Hold. Exhale. Going at your own pace. Last one, breathing in. Hold, take your time. Exhale. Coming into your final pose on your mat, your Shavasana, for as long as you need. Letting your body feel connected to the earth beneath you, grounded and stable. Stay as long as you need. Thank you so much for joining. Namaste. Feel free to check out the other Kama Ayurveda yoga and meditation videos on their website.